Okay, guys, good morning. 9:06 a.m. on the 19th of February. It's gone quick. It always does. The first parts of the year always go super duper quick. So, like we do every single week, we need to know what's going to happen in the week so we can prep. And we also need to look at the charts on the weekly time frame in order to know what last week did, in order to predict, not know, but predict what could happen this week and how to trade that. So let's see what's in the news. So we can see that we've got February 18th here. We need the 19th. Let's refresh. Okay, so today, literally nothing, it seems like. Let's take a look. Let's just double make sure. Yeah, literally nothing today. Nothing. Nothing. So that's pretty easy. Tuesday, what do we have? The 20th. Let's just make sure that is. We've got core inflation rate for the CAD, which obviously does see some volume in gold. We have CB lending. That's about it for Tuesday. So the only thing that we need to look out for Tuesday is the core inflation rate for the CAD. Let's take a look at Wednesday. Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes. So I'll probably not trade Wednesday, potentially. Probably not going to trade that. What's Jim said? American bank holiday today. I literally have no idea, bro. Honestly, not got a clue. I'll take a look. Usually, if you go on this, it'll tell you. No, but anyway, I'll see whether it is a bank holiday, but we'll see. So we have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, so I'm probably not going to trade Wednesday. I know that FOMC minutes can mess some things up. Thursday, the 22nd. We have core inflation rate for the euro, ECB monetary policy, continuing jobless claims, S&P Global Composite, Fed Jefferson, Fed Harker. Again, as long as it's not Powell, we're kind of okay. And on Friday, we have a Fed Wall speech. That's about it. So this week, honestly, the only things that we need to watch out for is on, I think it's Wednesday, we have FOMC. And Tuesday, we have core inflation rate for the CAD, which is going to impact gold. That's really it for this week. It's a very kind of mellow week. So we can take a look at the long term and medium term on the FX Blue, just to give us an idea of the overall direction of the market. So we can see Bitcoin and gold and British pound are super strong. Yen, Aussie, and Swiss super weak. USD's in the middle. Medium term, Bitcoin still killing it. Gold still strong. USD is a lot stronger on the medium time frame. Yen, Swiss, and CAD to the downside. The Great British Pound is in the middle. So we can kind of get a little bit of a sense of what's happening in the market just from that. Now we take a look at the US 100 on the weekly. What is this saying? So we've got a nice uptrend here. We've seen a weekly move to the downside pretty much this week. I'm going to say that we're going to touch this monthly high here because once we broke, we need an exhaustion, potentially moving to the upside. So I'm still bullish on US 100. If we look at daily, really, really nice exhaustion to this key level here and also the uptrend. Everything here screams to be buy pressure. So if it's not a bank holiday today, then I shall be looking for a long at the break of the daily close on Friday. So I'll be looking for a long, probably to this level. Stop loss just below the Asia range. In fact, we could even go to up here, but again, I doubt that we're probably going to reach that because it's on Monday. So looking for a long today, maybe tomorrow. Again, we will see what happens. Monday sometimes does move well, but that's when there's news. I can't really see it doing much when there's no news whatsoever in the market. So, yeah, we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. So, US 100 still bullish, very nice uptrend, weekly uptrend. Key level looks very bullish. US 30. Now, if we look at the US 30, pretty much did the same thing as US 100 on Friday. Take a look at the weekly here. So on the weekly, it is a pin bar. So yeah, still bullish with this. Daily, we can see a nice key level that it's come down to. Again, I'm going to say bullish. On the 1 hour, got a beautiful level here. Potential for a long today. Tapping this level, moving to this upper level of resistance here. Something like that today. We've retested this level quite a few times, 1, 2, 3 times now. Seen a lot of buy pressure, sell pressure previously as well. So this is a key level. We can kind of see lots of sellers coming in here, lots of buyers afterwards. So this is a nice level that I'll be looking for a buy on US 30. Let's go to gold now, see what gold's doing. So gold, moving strange. If we look at the weekly here, it looks as though it's probably going to make. So we've got high, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. And now it's just kind of consolidating between the 2068 and the 2000 level. These are the levels where it's just literally not moving, to be honest. Over the past couple weeks, we can see that, look, all this pretty much moving smooth here. It's just in this little range here. It's not really doing much. So take it to daily now. Key level here. This could be a move to the downside. Let's take a look. Short term, gold is strong. Medium term, gold is strong. Long term, gold is strong. So probably not looking for a move to the downside. On the weekly, we have a pin bar. So potentially going to continue moving up this week. Daily. Can't see anything long here. There is a level there. There's also a level here as well. High pressure there. So if this was to move up, probably going to tap 2012 and then move to the upside. Fundamentals are to the upside, so we'll look for moves in that direction for now. But honestly, it does overall look bearish. So something kind of like this. Something like that. Gold is very much to the upside. Gold positive 0.1. Medium term, gold is stronger. Gold is still stronger. Short term as well. So for the moment, we've got to be bullish. Unless it breaks this level and gold significantly moves to the downside, I'm not going to be looking for sells on this anytime soon until it shows me that the sellers are coming in gold and the USD is taking over in strength. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Weekly time frame of Bitcoin. Okay, so last week was just pure bullish. We haven't retested the 50 again. Just literally little moves to the downside. I'm waiting for it to touch the 50, so not interested in this yet. The bearish plan against the yen. Take a look at this on the weekly. So last week was bullish. Probably this week, maybe let's take a look at the fundamentals. So long term, yen super weak. Medium term, yen is weak. Short term, yen is strong. Okay, so long term and short term are kind of battling against each other. But overall, the yen is weak, so the Greenwich pound should move to the upside. So we're only looking for longs. You can see that we're seeing a rejection at this level here. We have a very nice level here. Whoops. Previous sell pressure turning into buy pressure there. We've already seen one move. Potentially we can get another, maybe at a higher level. Potentially there, because I can see a level there. Depends. It's either going to see buy pressure at this level here where we've got lots of liquidation, or it's going to see buy pressure here. So I'm going to say look for a buy here. If you get price action and also fundamental reason to buy this to the upside, and then you're all good. If not, then you're looking at the lower level. So it's as simple as that. If you do see buy pressure here, take it. If not, wait for it to hit 188471. So that's a Greenwich pound against the yen. Just literally looking for moves to the upside on that. Very, very easy. Let's take a look at Greenwich pound against US dollar. Well, we was looking for a sell, but that just got took out on Friday, didn't it? Did not see the move back to the downside. I said on the 15, if you get an exhaustion to this level and then a move down, and then you can take it, but didn't happen, just moved up. Weird price action from that, to be honest, on the daily. Take a look at the daily and also the weekly time frame here. Let's have a look. Weekly looks ugly. Extremely ugly. Let's take a look at this. Daily. I mean, we did break this level of buy pressure. It's basically retesting that level now. Previous level of buy pressure, now turning into sell pressure potentially. What the fundamentals saying? Long term, the Greenwich pound is stronger than the USD. Medium term, weaker. Short term, weaker. Not really that much fundamentally wise. Can probably go down to there. If you look at the 4H, yeah, it's a very nice level there. I'd say if you see bearish engulfing, that just slightly breaks below this level here, so the 1.26000. Also, on the short term, the Greenwich pound absolutely tanked against the US dollar. And then I can see a sell today on this. Other than that, yeah, just wait for that. At this moment in time, there's not that much volume in the market for this to move, also fundamentally. So you just need to wait for that to change. The euro against USD basically did exactly the same as the Greenwich pound, moved up on Friday. Again, Fridays can have weird price action, but again, the same as the Greenwich pound against the USD, we're at a key level. So we broke the uptrend. The weekly, last week closes a pin bar. What's the monthly saying? Oh, yeah, we could see sell pressure here. The weekly closed as a pin, but the daily will probably get moved down. So yeah, key level here. Probably going to consolidate for a bit. And then see a move down. I think it's really going to depend on that news tomorrow and probably FOMC minutes on Wednesday. So we'll see what happens with those then. But does anyone have any more that they want to look at? So US 100, let's just go over these quickly. US 100 looking for a move to the upside because of the weekly uptrend and also at a key level. Also, overall, it's bullish. US 30, the same. Literally the same. We have a nice level buy pressure there, looking for a move to the upside. Gold, potentially looking for a move to the upside because fundamentals are to the upside, even though technically it looks kind of bearish, I'm not going to lie. Let's take a look at the chat room. I remember 1K from your gold trade at the summit last year. I was here in August. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's cool, man. Yeah. Remember that. Uh Ogwen Valley did a summit yesterday. I'm making like mine was a proper scramble. Sounds good. Sounds awesome. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. AZ, Boats, Emmanuel, Imran, Jones, MR, and MR as well. Could you please check oil? I can do. So we did see buy pressure at that level weekly. So last week was bullish. This week probably going to come down to some kind of key level and break this week. So where's the key level going to be? Probably here. Yeah, I'll be super bullish on oil. Very nice uptrend as well. So potentially you've got this kind of setup going on here. So I would look for longs at 77, 77.20 to 77.40. SL would just be below here. TP would probably be in the middle here. So you're probably looking at buys at, again, 77.40, and you're taking profit at probably 79, bro, to be honest. So that's what I would look for right now. It's got a very nice uptrend. It looks good. Oil is looking bullish, man. So there you go, bro. There you go. Thank you guys for joining. Hopefully we get a trade later on. It's looking very clean. No worries, man. No worries, Imran. Always welcome. I shall see you guys later on. Take care, guys. Hope you had a good weekend. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.